Hi guys and welcome on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to disable the news feeds on Xiaomi phones. So here I have a Redmi Note 15 5G. It's the same also for the Pro version, and on this phone we have two news feeds. The first one, if you swipe to the left, is from Google. It's called Google Discovery. And the second one, if you swipe up, we have the Mi from Xiaomi news feed from Mi browser. So the question is how to disable these two news feeds. For that, you need to go to settings and here swipe and go to home screen. And here we have -1 screen, and if you tap on it, as you can see, it selected Google Discovery. Now here just tap none, and if you exit and swipe to the left, as you can see, we don't have anymore that Google Discovery news feed. Now the second one, the one from the Mi browser, for that just go to settings, again to home screen, and here we have swipe up on the home screen. If you tap on it, it's selected Content Center, but you can tap on none. And now if you exit and swipe up again, as you can see, doesn't appear anymore that news feed. So I hope this video to be useful for you. If you like my type of content, you can also subscribe to my channel, and see you to the next videos. Have a nice day.